Oh my God.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nick from Soho Motorsports.
Hey guys, Unir here from Soho.
And Unir is going to elaborate on a new product that we are releasing into the Infiniti Q50 and Q60 market.
Yeah, absolutely. So today we have with us our Doug's 2014 Infiniti Q50. He brought it to us for a very special project. This is our air-to-air supercharger kit we were able to complete on his vehicle. This is the first of many to come. So this has our standard Vortec S-type blower with our standard air-to-air piping and intercooler setup. So like the 370Z and G37 that we already offer, we extended over to the Q50, and I'm gonna let Nick talk about some of the specifics of what it takes exactly to sustain this kit on a Q50.
So the biggest thing with this kit is there's going to have to be some kind of advanced electrical knowledge and hydraulic knowledge. We had to move a couple of components, being the fuse box, and also had to do some things with the hydraulic system, which is going to be in regards to the braking system. Other than that, it's very straightforward, just how it is on the 370Z and the G37 kits. We still sustain or still use the V3 SI kit. The VHR bracket is still the same. Some of the piping is different compared to the G37 and the 370Z. I'll let Unir discuss the fueling side of it and what else Doug used to kind of make the power that this car made, and then we'll also discuss the power as well too.
Absolutely. So this car has a air motive 340 fuel pump hardwired to the battery. It also has Injector Dynamics 1050cc injectors, which is pretty standard for a pump gas setup that we do here in-house. And to top it off, it has a Fast Intentions flex plate with the stock VHR transmission and an external transmission cooler to keep nice and happy temperature-wise.
So bouncing off of that, so the number one question everybody's going to ask is how much power did this car make? So everybody's aware that the 14 and newer motors do make a little bit more power. So this vehicle here, we kind of had to stop the RPM as to how far we could rev it for the supercharger. As you know, the higher RPM you run, the more power, the more boost you can make. So this vehicle made 569 and 407 at 13.5 pounds on pump gas. So there is room to grow on this vehicle. If you wanted to do E85, I don't see why you shouldn't be able to hit 600 wheel. Now you may run into a limitation with the stock transmission. However, you can still make the kind of power and still enjoy the car. I mean, on pump gas to do 569 wheel, this car is fun. It's also an all-wheel drive, so you can imagine it's a fun ride.
In addition to having the supercharger kit developed in-house, we went ahead and also extended our lineup of catch cans to the Q50. We also have the catch can combo, which also houses your overflow reservoir, and of course the catch can setup, of course all plumbed with AN lines. So if you guys order this from us directly, this is exactly how it's going to come. And we also have our new crash bar. So even if you don't have this kit and you want a smaller crash bar that suits for different applications, we also have this, and it'll be on our website as well, along with this kit.
So I don't want to go into this, but I will say the ultimate question is going to be, is it the VHR or the VR that'll win in a battle between these two? That just may have to be something that we have to do in the future for you guys.
We just want to say thank you to Doug, the owner of this Q50, to give us the opportunity to allow us to have this in-house and develop this kit on his vehicle, and we look forward to turning it in his hands.
So Doug, what you think, man? Air-to-air Q50 supercharged, making that steam?
Can't believe it's real.
Yeah, it's definitely
beautiful job.
Definitely something to look forward to for a long time, man. So we're really glad to have the opportunity to put this together, get that nice comprehensive build, get another boosted Q50 on the streets.
Yeah, I love it. Came together awesome. Holy cow.
Yeah.
You guys did a great job.
Yeah, I think that's the icing on the cake right there.
That's
definitely gotta love the badge.
There you go. Oh my God. Holy God. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It's like a different car.
Yeah, literally, like came in 300 horsepower, left 570 wheel, like full send.
Wow, dude. That's nuts. You're not getting to the upper power, man. It really, real holy shit. Oh, that's awesome, dude.
So there you have
have it, man. Doug, I appreciate you taking the time, man. Definitely a fantastic package.
Oh, yeah.
Excellent power of this Q50 supercharger setup. It's awesome to have you willing to take the trip and allow us to do this upgrade, man.
Hey,
so
thankful for you
want to
guys
help
doing it.
support the community of enthusiasts and just keep these builds going.
Absolutely.
So, well, thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. Huge thanks to Doug. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.